Hever Station on the Uckfield line. 71 there heading towards Uckfield. I believe this is where they had a landslip a couple of years ago. Yeah. Very lovely station. A very nice footbridge here. Shelter, which I imagine is quite a new addition. Notice the stations along this line have a different font of text. Ticket machine on that side. Imagine there's one on both sides then. They do in fact take cash as well. Quite a nice station building here. So we'll have a look at it in a minute. Bike storage facilities. Here's the footbridge. Yeah, it's quite a long platform really. It's definitely been extended. As you can see down there. They have put new boards in as a yeah. Here is the old station building. It's named Hever Holt. I believe it's now some sort of business centre, office buildings. I mean, ruins it a little bit, but yeah. Here's the car park as well. It contains an old Mark I carriage, which is quite cool, really. Yeah. The road out of the station. It's very posh around here, isn't it? But yeah. Here is the old Mark I carriage here at this station. It's probably seen better days. However, it is very nice to see. There's Westinghouse brakes on it. It's probably worth quite a lot of money. But yeah, I'm not sure what it is. It might be a coffee shop. Or it's just nothing now, maybe. I have no idea at all. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments, but yeah. You can definitely get up to it, as if it would be some sort of form of cafe. But yeah. Your standard posters here. There is only one ticket machine on the platform. I was mistaken. There is a defibrillator and a help point here. There is. There is key card tap pads here. I'll have a little look what's up here. It's very scenic here. It's a view from the where the landslip was. Just a small view of the station from here. I do not believe this goes anywhere in particular. However, it is a very scenic walk. If you do visit this station, it's definitely worth checking out. There is also a castle here, and there's quite a large golf course here as well. It's just all in all a very nice place. And yeah, you wouldn't think it's in Kent either. Kent is just known as a dump, really. But no, here it's very nice and very peaceful. Well, that sums up the video here at Hever. A very lovely station, I must say. And it shows the platform extension here at Hever. Okay. I thank you very much for watching. I will see you very, very soon in the next video, whenever that be, wherever that will be. Bye bye for now from me.
This is Hever. This train is the southern service to London Bridge, calling at Eton Bridge Town, First Green, Oxted, East Croydon and London Bridge. The next station is Eton Bridge Town.